What will take longer, my coffee to brew or this kitchen counter routine? Let's go. We're gonna do 4 exercises, 20 seconds each, starting with mountain climbers. This is a great routine to strengthen your hip flexors and your core. If you have one of these coffee makers, you know it's pretty fast, but you could definitely squeeze a micro workout in while waiting. Okay, onto our second exercise. Now we're doing alternating Superman, Superwomans. Keeping your core nice and solid, bring one arm and the opposite leg up, keeping them nice and straight, making sure not to overextend. This is for your core and low back. Remember, the further you are, the more challenging. Now we're gonna move on to your chest and shoulders by just simply doing some counter push-ups. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Bring your chest down nice and slowly towards the counter and then push yourself back up. Keep your back straight and your core tightened. I love micro routines just like this. You could squeeze them any time of the day whenever you have free time. This could be something you do every time you brew your coffee. Okay, let's switch it up. To the last exercise, we're simply opening up those hips, bringing our knees up and then to the side. Hold on to the counter for balance and follow your natural range of motion. How do you like your coffee anyway? I used to use a typical filter machine, then I went to a French press, I even used a mini espresso machine, and finally to using this thing. We got it as a present and I find it's the most convenient. Well, look at that, the coffee's not done brewing yet. I guess we'll do another round.